A for apple.
A for apple.
A for banana.
B for banana.
B for butterfly.
B for butterfly.
B for boy.
B for boy.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
C for carrot.
C for carrot.
C for cap.
C for cap.
C for cow.
C for cow.
D for duck.
D for duck.
D for doll.
D for doll.
D for drum.
D for drum.
D for door.
D for door.
E for egg.
E for egg.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
E for ear.
E for ear.
E for envelope.
F for
F for flag.
F for flag.
F for fan.
F for fan.
F for fish.
F for fish.
F for frog.
F for frog.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
G for girl.
G for girl.
G for gate.
G for gate.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for house.
H for house.
H for horse.
H for horse.
H for hen.
H for hen.
H for helicopter.
H for helicopter.
I for eyes.
I for eyes.
I for insect.
I for insect.
I for inkpot.
I for import.
I for igloo.
I for igloo.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K for joker.
J for joker.
J for juice.
J for juice.
K for key.
K for key.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
K for kettle.
K for kettle.
L for ladybug.
L for ladybug.
L for line.
L for line.
L for leaf.
L for leaf.
L for lemon.
L for lemon.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
M for mango.
M for mango.
M for moon.
M for moon.
M for mouse.
M for mouse.
N for north.
N for north.
N for net.
N for net.
N for little.
N for little.
O for orange.
O for orange.
O for ox.
O for ox.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
O for ostrich.
O for ostrich.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
P for pumpkin.
P for pumpkin.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for pen.
P for pen.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Q for question.
Q for question.
Q for bear.
Q for bear.
R for rose.
R for rose.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
R for ring.
R for ring.
S for sunflower.
S for sunflower.
S for spider.
S for spider.
S for star.
S
saw.
S for saw.
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
T for tub.
T for tub.
T for turtle.
T for turtle.
T for tree.
T for tree.
U for uncle.
U for uncle.
U for up.
U for up.
U for umpire.
U for umpire.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for volcano.
V for volcano.
V for vegetable.
V for vegetable.
W for watch.
W for watch.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
W for window.
W for window.
W for worm.
W for worm.
X for X-ray.
X for X-ray.
X for xylophone.
S for xylophone.
Y for york.
Y for yarn.
Y for yellow.
Y for yellow.
Y for yo-yo.
Y for yo-yo.
Z for zip.
Z for zip.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Z for zigzag.
Z for zigzag.
Z for zero.
Z for